Now your certified most accurate four-zone weather with meteorologist Jeanette Calle.
Well, with a more active weather pattern ahead, want to update you on what we expect here, not just the rest of this week, but this upcoming weekend. It looks like finally the weeks of dry and very warm conditions are coming to an end. First off, as we go through this Wednesday, there could be a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, especially this afternoon into the early evening with the heating of the day and a weak front approaching from the northwest. There's a slightly higher storm chance later today out west, and we'll talk more about that coming up. But notice the rainfall trend as we head into the weekend. Not very active tomorrow, just a slight rain chance. Friday, though, notice that mainly along and east of I-35, we'll see that chance for rain increasing, more scattered rain chance. And then as we go into Saturday and Sunday, widespread showers and thunderstorms likely. Could have some heavy rain across the area. Saturday, Sunday, it looks like the heaviest rain will be across the south. Monday, as we kick off spring break, rain chance does decrease to 30%. Today, there is a level 1 marginal severe weather risk. The western part of our viewing area, Western Hill Country and the western zone, especially along the Rio Grande, there could be a couple of strong storms, and it looks like the heaviest storms could produce hail. There's another level 1 severe weather risk closer to San Antonio late Friday. And yes, for the weekend ahead, even more rain and thunderstorms. Here goes that level 1 severe weather risk. This would be after 3 o'clock this afternoon. We'll have to watch for any storms that get going there. Again, if they develop, watch for high winds and hail. Tomorrow, there's a level 1 risk for areas farther west from Valverde County to Edwards County. Level 2 risk, mostly for west central Texas. And then late Friday, again, closer to San Antonio, especially the north side of town and the hill country, that's a level 1 risk. Level 2 for Waco and Dallas. Level 3 enhanced risk farther north from there into Oklahoma. There's one weather maker that's moving towards the Midwest. That's what's going to bring a weak front to North Texas later in the day. And yes, that is what could trigger a late day shower or thunderstorm here, but not everyone will see the rainfall here today. There's the system that's going to bring a stronger front over the weekend. Here's a look at future radar. So this afternoon, most of the activity will be farther to the north and west. Tomorrow morning, we could see patches of drizzle. And then notice how the precipitation likely picks up later Friday and especially this weekend with this next front coming in. As the front pushes farther to the south, it is going to be cooling down. Highs on Saturday near 80 and then low 70s on Sunday. Upper level disturbance moves in from the west next Tuesday, and that is what's going to increase our rain chance by then. This is how much rain we're looking at: 1.5, 2+ inches. Heads up, I would say, across the western hill country, Kerrville, Bandera, back towards Real County, Edwards County. That's where we could see over 2 inches of rain. And there could be some isolated flash flooding, so we'll be on top of this for you. For the rest of this Wednesday, we'll see some breaks of sunshine throughout the afternoon. Rain chance between 3 and 7 p.m. at 30%. Forecast high in the mid-80s, 85, 86. Here's your extended forecast. As the rain chances pick up over the weekend, temperatures drop, low 80s Saturday and then low 70s on Sunday. Make sure you have that 4-zone weather app so you can keep an eye on radar. If the severe storm risk does increase, we'll be on top of that for you. Here's the extended forecast for the other 3 zones. See you at noon.